Well, hello viewers. Today I'm just going to go up to the top of the mountain where the snow is. I'm going to try to get up there on the 750X. It's not far from here. It's been a bit sketchy getting here. I've just got standard road tyres on, but I'm going to give it a try nonetheless. So let's get started and we'll see if we can go and see some skiers today, or at least some snow. The weather today is sensational, not a cloud in the sky. Temperature is around zero. I'm just a bit worried about ice on the road, but let's see. In the sunny spots it's fine, but in the shady areas it's a bit risky. And the bike's been going excellent since I put in the new GPR exhaust system. It's running really nicely. I'm very happy with it. Basically there's no traffic at all on the roads today. We've had a good run to get here. So when we reach the start of the ascent up the mountain, that road has got some really tight switchback corners, and quite often on those corners when it's been snowing, the snow thaws out, then it runs across the road, the water runs across the road, and then the temperature's below zero at night. So we have ice, so hopefully we're not going to run into those issues. See. Doing some tree lopping there. I left my house this morning quite early, and it's taken about 1 hour and a half around just to get to this area. But the turn off to the start of the climb up the mountain is only about 3 minutes up here, so it should be quite good. So far so good. I haven't seen any. Oh, there's a bit of snow up here. Yeah, we're just starting to get a bit of snow on the side of the road here. So hopefully there's no ice on this patch of the road. I'll just take it easy around the corners here. It looks to be okay. Turn off we're coming up to, just up here on the left hand side. It's not really the start of the season here for skiing. It officially opened last Saturday last week, but the weather hasn't been that cold. We had a little bit of snow, but not a lot, so that's why I thought I'd give it a try today to get up to the top of the mountain. definitely from the end of this month and January, February, it's going to be impossible to get up here on a bike. Well, I would like to take my four-wheel drive to halfway here and then get the Sur-on out with my motocross tyres and go do some riding in the snow. So far so good, the road's excellent. Quite surprised actually. Although as I said it's in the sun here, so it's quite good in the sun. So as you can see by the telemetry data, we're in a steady climb all the way up. We're about 1,400 metres or 500 metres or something like that when we get to the top. It looks clear, so I should get some good photos of the Southern Alps today. I bought my big camera, so I'll take a few photos and I'll put them on at the end of the video. They keep the road pretty well maintained up here anyway. They want skiers to be able to get up here, so I'm not overly worried. The DCT makes it easy on here. You don't have to worry about the clutch. You can just go as slow or as quick as you like and let the motor and the engine and the gearbox do its thing. You just focus on checking. In this case I'm looking for any black ice on the road. Don't need to worry about what gear I'm in. I have been up here on my, quite a few years ago now, my Ninja 1000 I had, and I was able to make it up quite okay, and then a couple of years before that on my Tracer, MT09 Tracer, and that had standard road tyres on too. There's a bit of snow here, a bit of ice. Take it easy here. Bike's in second gear, so it's chugging along there. It didn't have to go to first. There we go. Once you're back in a sunny spot, it's good. This is definitely ice there. Let me cut across that. I'm not going to go across the middle of that ice sheet. Oh, frozen little waterfall there. Very nice. Now, there's a bike there. Did he crash? This part looks a bit risky. Let's try up this side here. Yeah, it's like he's had an accident, the poor fellow. He's alright, I'll just cut across straight. Excellent. Get a nice view from here. Just go over to this side of the road, you can see the mountains. Beautiful today. It's an excellent view. Get a good view coming back down. Now, which is the best line to take here? Maybe here perhaps? Cut across here. That looks alright so far. Whoa. Oh, I'm slipping. Slipping. Just a bit more grip. Oh, I'm slipping. Oh. Oh, I'm slipping. Just a bit more grip. Oh, I'm slipping. Oh. Oh, I'm slipping. Just a bit more grip. Oh, I'm slipping. Oh. Just got to make sure my boots have a grip. That's the key point. That's a bit better, I've got a bit of grip there. Yeah, that part was the worst part there. Well, viewers, I've had to do a U-turn. Yeah, it was too slippery, and it was really difficult to get up to the very top of the mountain, which is a bit disappointing. But at least I gave it a try. Yeah, all I need to do now is just get back down to the bottom and then head back home. So short video today. I'll get to the bottom of the mountain and then I'll sign off. So thank you very much. we're down the bottom of the mountain now, so viewers, thank you so much for watching. I much appreciate it. Sorry I couldn't get up to the top of the mountain today, but that's the way it goes. Well, thank you, and we'll see you next time.